Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how EMF and radio frequencies are all around us using a meter and some things I do to reduce my exposure. While I won't go deeply into the science, I will list links for more information in the description below so you can learn more if this interests you. I've chosen a few common things that we are around every day: a microwave oven, a smartphone, a smart TV, and a router. Let's get started. First is the microwave. The radio frequency is low with the microwave off. And I'll reheat some coffee. And you can see the radio frequency increases. 5.6.5, 7.8. And off it goes down. Now there are a few little spikes because of my phone in recording. Next, my cell phone, off. And you'll see spikes. The top left number is the important number, the peak, because radio frequency pulses and it catches that pulse, and that's the harmful number if it's too high. Now I'll turn the phone on, and still with it off there were high pulses, but now it's up to 9, 15. So that's quite high. But again, it's close and right next to the meter. You would use headphones and be a significant distance away. So internet, listening to an audiobook, .2, and again the pulses are what matter. The peak number is the important number. Still even some high spikes with the phone off. Not as consistently high though. And again, my phone in recording also is being picked up a little bit. So this is not a perfect test. But it gives some idea of what radio frequency is and how it is recorded with our devices. Now a smart TV from watching area, and then I'll go and walk up closer. Spikes up to 9. 15, but no one gets that close for a significant amount of time. This is the router. And this is the bedroom where my head would be for Bluetooth. I'll listen to an audiobook through Bluetooth on this Philips speaker, radio, and internet with my phone. And also I plug my phone in to charge it. Off. And again, a little few spikes because of using my camera to record this. Bluetooth is off for now. Now it's on, and I'll plug my phone in like I do to charge it, and I'll listen to maybe audiobook or music for a short amount of time at night. And that's pretty high. And again, my camera of recording this is also being picked up, but that's still pretty high, but it's real close also. This is a Faraday bag. It blocks RF, radio frequency, and I usually put it in the bag like this. And you can see it's significantly lower with some spikes from my camera phone recording this. So that's how I use it. I use the Faraday bag to block the RF radiation. A couple tools that I use a Faraday phone case. And there's another Faraday bag also that can be used for a phone or a small device, and a larger one for my laptop. I hope you learned something helpful in this video. Please hit like and subscribe if you did. See you next time.